Animals are sensitive to humans. By knowing how to behave around domestic animals and wildlife, we can be more considerate to their needs. The protection of their habitats and their well-being must take precedence over our pleasure in observing them or interfering in their life cycle. Human-type food will have a detrimental effect on all animals. We must guard against inadvertently damaging their health, altering their natural behaviour, or exposing them to predators. In Ireland, because we share areas with wildlife and farm animals, dogs can have a major impact. Dogs must be kept under effective control.